we are drowning in data. Traditional tables and note-taking instruments are not enough to keep up modern presentations and workshops. Yes, mind mapping can be a solution for this, since it seems very similar to structure of our brains. My name is Necip. I've been working as a corporate trainer for 20 years. In this course, by using mind maps, we will organize our ideas and see the connection of their structures. Also, we will have a chance to present them impressively. Another important subject for this, AI implications of mind maps. Lastly, we will see the common mistakes and the ways to avoid them. See you in the course then.